What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John B. Come back to you guys with a brand new video. So look, I know I haven't been posting like vlogs and stuff, and the last time I had one was probably like 4 months ago, 3 months ago, but I just feel like those weren't as popular. And I had a poll last week on my Instagram asking if you guys, what video you guys want to see this week, a haircut tutorial or a vlog. So you guys pick vlog. So that's why I'm gonna bring it up today. I'm actually gonna go through this barber showcase that happens to just be today, and I figure bring you guys with me and show you guys how it is in Hawaii. Meet some dope barbers. I'm actually one of the models. My boy is gonna cut me up. It's not really like a barber battle. It's more of a showcase. So I don't know what it's gonna be like. It's actually being hosted by Cuts X Crush Kyoki from Faded Hawaii. He's the owner of that barbershop, and Diego House of Fade barbershop owner. I guess just to vibe with all the barbers out here. It's not, like I said, it's not a battle. Like, no one's competing. It's just showcasing your skills. I'm pretty excited because in Hawaii we don't really get barber like events like this. Like, we usually get one once a year. So this is like the one that we have in a year. I'm gonna see a lot of my old friends there. Shout out to y'all if you guys are watching. I'm gonna see a lot of familiar faces and new faces in the hair industry, and it'll be dope. So I'll holla at you guys when I get there. I record more, and I'll get some dope footage for you guys.
My name is John B.
Fun, yeah. I need a haircut. He always says.
Yeah. You're recording still? Yeah.
You see what we're doing over here, dog? Billy, my boy. Why went to go piss, dog? Germer over here.
With the custom.
With the what?
The custom fan.
Yeah. See what you're doing, dog? Shit. What are you doing, Joe boy, dog? What are you doing, dog? What kind, bro? What kind of design are you doing?
Birthday, Kyoki. Happy 28th birthday today. Yo, can you give him a hand in the shop? What you want, babe? Wanna like restaurants, babe? What's a snack to a hundred?
So I shout out what shop you're from.
Follow me right now. Go give $100 to my 13 followers. Follow me. Let me know.
Yeah. What are you doing, Johnny? What are you doing, Johnny?
So, we'll start off this side over here.
When you just cut the middle of the head and you leave that bald.
Tell them people what your idea is and what you're about to do.
I got my boy right here. Sky with
Guy, feel me?
Sky.Pigo on IG. My name is Johnny P Roosevelt on IG.
Johnny P?
Let's go.
There's a host right here.
Yo, shout out to John B. Putting out that knowledge. Check out his YouTube. It's Cuts by Crush.
Travis Boy the barber in here. Go, shout it out right now, Joe. After you get this hand out your face. Go ahead, bro.
My name is Chan Bing B. CHB.
And shout it out, bro. Shout it out.
What up, fam?
Shout out your Instagram.
Are you gonna edit it?
Yeah, I'll edit it. Don't worry, bro.
What up, fam? Joe Barber.
I have no idea.
What is it?
Joe Barber _ J-O Barber _
Yo, it's your boy Cuts by Crush reporting live from the Island Jam. Shout out to the homie John B. It's your boy Cuts by Crush again.
Follow him. What are you doing? What are you doing, Trav?
Nobody wants to see her. Go ahead. Tell us
Work for it. You gotta work for it. You gotta post it.
what you gotta do.
You gotta follow. Shout us out on your Instagram.
So when you see the cheers, you gotta make a video saying, yo, shout out to Sharpie, shout out to
Wanna shout out your Instagram, dog?
today. Mr. 86. Forever, bro.
Oh, for real?